Alright guys, no? So nandito tayo sa Matic basket. And I'm ready for my next withdrawals. It's actually my third withdrawal so far. 414 members now as of the moment. And let's see how fast the withdrawal again. Okay, so if you remember, I invested on VIP, which is 250 Matics. And total earned so far is 50. So I need 200 more to break even. And now I have I have 18 balance to withdraw here. So let me do that. And before that, let me check my balance here. So I have 31 Matics or 28.69 US dollar worth of Matics. Okay, now let's go back and try to withdraw. Alright, so it's 18. Okay, so it's done. And let's see, let's refresh this. There you go. So as fast as a bullet. Okay, so this is really fast. And I am collecting Matics daily even without invites. Okay, so again, I'm earning 4.2% daily of my 250 capital. Okay, so if you invest 15 Matics, you will earn 3.2% daily. So that's the minimum. And yeah, it's really passive income, guys. So right after you invest your Matic, you will start to collect. Alright, so the minimum amount to withdraw is 5 Matics. And yeah, you can do that daily whenever you have more than 5 Matics on your wallet. So this is another long-term opportunity and a great source of Matic. So again, I am a fan of Matic, and Matic is a huge cryptocurrency that has a use case and it's already proven. So if you want to generate Matics on a daily basis, consider this Matic basket as one of your good source. All right, so that's my update, guys, for Matic basket. And if you need assistance on how to create your account, don't hesitate to contact me. I can easily reach out onto my Telegram. I will include the link in the description. And I'll see you all, guys. Happy earnings, everyone. Bye-bye.